Hi, my name is Amanda Pittman, and I am a librarian at the Lincoln Park Library in Greeley, Colorado. And today's video is one in a series that we're doing on job searching tips. So today we are going to be discussing Cypress Resume. Cypress Resume is a free service that you can access through the library at www.mylibrary.us, and it is something that you can use to create a resume and a cover letter. So let's go ahead and check it out.
So here we are at the High Plains Library District website. The address is mylibrary.us, and we'll go over here on the left-hand side and choose Research and Learn and all e-resources A to Z. And then if we scroll down, we'll get to Cypress Resume. Now, when you log in from home, you will probably need to put in your library card number and your PIN number. Your PIN number is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. So just be aware of that, and you will want to create a login for Cypress Resume so that all your stuff is saved and you can access it later. So go ahead and log in. I've already created a login for myself. So here we are at Cypress Resume, and this screen is the document manager screen. I have already created a number of resumes, so here's where they're listed. And we are going to go ahead and walk you through creating a new resume. So the first thing we're going to need to do is choose a style. There's either strictly business or editor's choice, and we'll choose strictly business today. And this is the main form. We are going to put in our name and our contact information. You don't have to fill in every box, but you do have to fill in each box that has a red asterisk next to it. So we'll put in our name, our daytime phone number. I'm going to skip the evening and mobile phone, but we will put in our email address, our city, and our state, and move on to the next section. Now we're going to enter in our employment history, the most recent being first. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3 construction, and we'll say that our job title was a worker and that we started in January of 2017, and that we'll click that we are currently employed here. And then for our one before that, we'll have that be ABC construction. And then we started there in, let's say, March of 2013, and that we left in December of 2016. And you could put in more work history if you want, and if you click here, they'll give you even more space to do that. So in our next section, we are going to enter our educational history. You can put in your high school or your college or either or. We'll just say, we'll just put in our high school. just say we graduated in 2010. And then here is where you would put in any certificates, certifications, and or training you might have. We'll move on to the next section. So this is step 2. In step 2, Cypress Resume does have you search for the job title that you're applying for. And so we're just going to search for construction worker. You can also browse by industry or by job title when you're doing this. But we'll do the quick search, and here's what it comes up with. There's a few different options. So you're going to want to choose something that you have worked at in the past and also what you're applying for. So we're going to just choose pipe layer, and what this will do is that Cypress Resume will then tailor our professional profile statements to this specific job. So if you'll see, there's a bunch that we can choose from. They want us to choose 8, and these are all specific to being a pipe layer. So you just choose the 8 that you want, and you can click here to see more. You can also edit any of them if you want to. And use them after you edit them. And then under software and tools, again, this is tailored to something that pipe layers would need to know. So it makes it a lot easier. We'll select a few of these, and you can edit these just like the other ones. And same with the skills and ability. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next section, which is actually where we can view our finished resume. So here is the one we just created. We can rename it if we'd like to. Whoop. We can view it. So here you see there is the personal information up top, the professional profile and core competencies are listed, the ones we chose. Also the tools and technology skills that we chose, and the summary of skills and abilities. There's the work history and the education listed. We go back here, we can also, this is where we can edit our resume if we want to. So for instance, if you realize you made a mistake in your phone number or your email, you could come back here and edit that information. And you can also download this. So if you want to, you could choose to download it as an RTF document, and then you would be able to open it up in Word or another word processing software, and then you could edit it even more. So that is a summary of how Cypress Resume works.
I hope you learned a lot about Cypress Resume from watching this video. Visit the library's website at www.mylibrary.us and check it out. Also, stay tuned to the Lincoln Park Library's Facebook page and the High Plains Library District YouTube channel for more videos on job searching tips in the future.